Hi guys, I'm Juan here at Up with the Sun where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. Today I'm really excited because I have something that came in the mail that was super special to me. It is a Loungefly exclusive and I am so happy to have it here. Yes, another Loungefly to add to the pantheon of Loungeflies that I own. And this one is super special to me. This particular series that came out is very popular. However, this one, not so much. And I don't know whether to be offended or grateful because that just means that I'm part of a further niche community of collectors. So if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know that this is my ultimate favorite Disney princess. So I am very happy to have gotten the sequence Pocahontas bag. Ah! I'm so happy. Let's open her up, please. As always, these bags are so much more gorgeous in person. Oh. Oh, there we go. And here she is. So, this is the Loungefly.com exclusive sequence princess series. And this is Pocahontas. Obviously, they've come out with a number of these already. Again, this is, as of this recording, still available on Loungefly's website. And if you are a Pocahontas fan, I will just say you should get this bag. Just because if it's, this is part of your collection, she is part of your collection, this is a wonderful staple to have. I mean, just look at this. I love this tan plaque. This is so nice. And this, oh, I love the texture of this bow. And then the gem here for the necklace. It's so nice. And then this sequence doesn't pop out too much, which is nice. It's nice and flat. And then we have the trim here of her dress. And oh my gosh. And then you can see the sequence goes all the way to the side here. This is a functional side pocket, but I would be scared to put anything in here because this would get frayed. But I love the blue accent detail here. And then it does have this brassy hardware. It's not really gold, but it's more like brass. And then on this side here, what I love about this detail is it has like her tattoo of her armband that she has, which is she's like pretty BA because she's like one of the only Disney princesses with a tattoo. Okay, just saying. I don't have a tattoo. I'm not that badass. If anything, I'm just very much a dork, as most of you know. But I do love the compass zipper pull here. So cute. Bring that up closer. Look at this detail. So nice. Can you focus, please? Thank you. Yeah, very, very nice. Let's see here. So it does have a traditional square front pocket, and the styrofoam is in there. I'm just gonna leave that in there. The inside, you know, this is not my favorite part, so not the inside, but you can see here the inside is this beautiful pattern of the compass as well as other details. Ooh, that always makes me so nervous. Darling, how do you do this? Elijah, darling, how do you do it? How do you do it, darling? Because it makes me nervous in the service. Because I do not like to ruin the integrity of the bag. But I love this other detail here on the back. It says free spirit. And Pocahontas truly is a free spirit. Bucking the system, bridging people together. I mean, the message of Pocahontas is what really does it for me. I mean, yes, it's not historically accurate, blah, 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 but the overall message is very important. So even in today's climate, which is very important, having to really learning how to understand other people that are different from us, and not make them out to be our enemies. But you know, if society's falling apart around us, then what other choice do we have? But things can turn around, right? Anyhow, again, I love this blue detail here on the strap. It's also here on the strap here as well. Just a beautiful combination of this cream, gold, and this blue. I don't really know what hue of blue I would call this. Cerulean? I don't know. Comment down below, what kind of blue do you think this is? Help me out. But of course, I couldn't just get the bag. You think I'm an ignorant savage. Oh, that song. You don't know. Colors of the Wind. Who else cries at that song? So here's the beautiful sequence here. Again, with the same colored plaque. This plaque is so nice. And then we have on the other side the beautiful bow detail. And then this unclasps like that. And then this actually pops open like this, excusez-moi. And then you have your card holders here. And then here's the lining again for what's inside the bag itself. Right, cash holder. And then I love the detail here that in the ID wallet. This is a leaf cutout. I'll take this thing out. Yeah, you can see it better there. It's the shape of a leaf in the ID slot. Anyway, this is not really a bag that I'm going to be using. This definitely is just like for display. I have other bags like that are just display only. So this is one of them. I mean, this is so beautiful. I would be terrified trying to use this in my day-to-day. I just love this bag. I cannot wait to display this bag. I have a handful of Funko Pops that, in my mind, the way I want to display this bag, they will, you know, complement. I want to share those with you real quick. So I was able to pick up the Funko Shop exclusive of Pocahontas Disneyland with the Colors of the Wind detail. Let me take out this. Yes, I have it in this actual pop protector thing. Here she is, right? I'm just gonna show the glam, it's less glare. So, you know, so I have this one, but I also have her in the gold edition, which is also Funko Shop exclusive. Because the one thing about this one, that it comes with a pin. But, oh, just so beautiful. I think this, like, displayed next to this, somehow, will just, it's just going to be amazing. And then in addition to the gold variation of the Colors of the Wind Pop, I have this Diamond Edition Hot Topic exclusive of her, and the sparkle here would look great also against the sparkle here. So I think I'd like to center this and frame it between the two pops, because this pop is great. I love this pop because she's like on the wooden stand here, and then you have Miko Flit featured as well. So great. Also, I'll also include another Pocahontas themed video that I got, and so you can review that, so you can see that, you know, I walk the walk and talk the talk when it comes to my girl Pocahontas. Get it, go get this bag, you will not regret it. It's wonderful. So that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to share. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. I am so close to getting to 100. I can just feel it. So please share this video with friends, family, other Disney fans. Let them know that there is another Disney out there and Loungefly collector that is just as passionate about this fandom as they are. Do you have any of the sequin bags? Please comment down below. Let me know which ones you have. Who's your favorite Disney princess? I'd love to know that as well. Remember to be safe. Tell someone that you love them because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.